Hello, so I just want to explain to you how to use Google Earth to plot the glacial landforms that we were looking at in the UK, in Iceland. So you're going to need the two sheets of glacial landforms from erosion and deposition. If you load up Google Earth and zoom into Iceland, obviously you can see the white masses there are the glaciers. Now, obviously these glacial landforms most likely going to be relatively near to Iceland. And what you've got is some highlands that you should be able to see. Let's just double check. If you go tools, options, you want to make sure that the topography is exaggerated to 3. And when you zoom in, you can see there the topography exaggerated. What we've got here is quite obviously this area is an outwash plain from the glacier. All of this is really low-lying. So Iceland has these sort of interesting low-lying coastal areas that we looked at in the past that were from changes in sea level. So we've got sea level now is much lower than it was in the past, and so you've got things like relic cliffs and relic waterfalls and things like that that are along this coastline. So let's see what we can find. If you zoom round, what you should be able to see is there's a relatively good U-shaped valley there. So you click the yellow pin button, you can then drag that, change its location, and then change the name. So we call that U-shaped valley. Let's have a go with something else. Some quite good arêtes along here. So these jagged edges, arêtes. Again, drop the button there, and then rename that arête. Great. And then what you want to do is right-click My Places, add folder, call that Glacial Landforms Iceland. Press OK, drag in the files that you create, and then once you've created all of them for all the different landforms, if you right-click Glacial Landforms, click Save Place As, save that to an appropriate place, and then that file you can upload on the Firefly task.